Hello everyone. Today we are going to test the working of blocks available in Scratch and also understand their functionality. First, let's understand what a sprite is. It can be treated as an object to move, talk, jump, etc. You perform various different tasks on the object. Whatever code you will write will be associated with the object you select. Different objects can have different code. Let's start with the motion category. Here we have blocks for moving the sprite from one position to another. To understand the movements of the objects, let's first understand the coordinate system of the Scratch. The sprite is currently positioned in the middle, that is the point 0, 0. When you want to move in the right direction, you will have to increase the x coordinate, and for moving in the left direction, decrease the x coordinate. You can do this by using the negative numbers. Similarly, for moving in the upward direction, increase the y coordinate and decrease it when moving down. So now, coming to the blocks. The move 10 steps block will let your sprite move 10 steps ahead, the direction in which you set. We can also use custom values to it. The go to random position block will make your sprite move to any random position on your output screen. The go to X and Y block will move the sprite to a specific position which you specify using the X and Y coordinate. Now the glide block will make your sprite move to a random position. It will have the moving effect like this. You can also specify the time for which you want the sprite to glide. The point in direction block will make your sprite look into the particular direction. Point towards mouse pointer will make your sprite point wherever your mouse pointer is. Change X block will change the X coordinate, that is, it will make the sprite move in the east direction according to the coordinate you specify. Now, the set X to a particular position will move to a point where the X coordinate is specified here. Similar operations are performed for the Y coordinate also. If the sprite touches the edge, this block will make it bounce back in the screen. Also, these blocks can be used to see the values of x, y, and direction on the output screen itself, like this. Great work, guys! See you all again.